Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
My Rajiv Kumar had to come bring the questions of chapter 1 in your science subject around us. Chapter number 1 around us. We see many things around us like plants, animals, rivers, lakes, ponds, many things. And this chapter already had been taught by Mr. Kusmaka sir, and just today I represent myself among all of you to create the questions related from chapter number 1. Here I arrange the question that is related from chapter number 1. Now you all write these questions and you have to give the answer of these questions, because these all questions, the answer of these all questions you already known about, that is taught by Kusmaka sir. You write your question number 1. What are living things? What are living things? Question number 2. What are non-living things? Now question number 3. Give 3 examples of the followings. First, living things. Second, non-living things. You have to give 3 examples of living things. Here I write these numbers 1, 2, 3. And here non-living things, you have to give 3 examples of non-living things. 1, 2, 3. Now question number 4. What are natural things? What are natural things? And now question number 5. What are man-made things? What are man-made things? Now students, I think you all sort out these questions answer, but here I help you to sort out the answer of these questions that is related from your science subject in chapter number 1 around us. Students, we see many things around us like plants, animals, human beings, rivers, mountains, lakes, ponds, and many things. Where we see many things, and that things are either living or non-living. बच्चों, हम अपने चारों तरफ आसपास में पेड़ पौधे, नदी, तालाब, झरने आदि को देखते हैं. इन सारे चीजों का वर्गीकरण इनके जीवन के आधार पर 2 भागों में किया गया है. फर्स्ट को हम लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं और सेकंड को हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं. लिविंग थिंग्स हम उसे कहेंगे जिन वस्तुओं में जीवन होता है. जिन वस्तुओं में जीवन होता है उसे हम लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं, और जिन वस्तुओं में जीवन नहीं होता है उसे हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं. तो our first question is, what are living things? The things which have life is called living things. Things, here we write things which have life are called living things. And what are non-living things? तो just like this, things which have life are called living things. जिन वस्तुओं में जीवन होता है उसे हम लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं. तो जस्ट अपोजिट, जिन वस्तुओं में जीवन नहीं होता है उसे हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स कहते हैं. तो थिंग्स, हियर वी राइट थिंग्स which have no life are called non-living things. Non-living things. जिन वस्तुओं में जीवन नहीं होता है उसे हम non-living things कहते हैं. Give 3 examples of the following: living things and non-living things. Now we have to give the examples. What we do here? So we have to only give the examples of living and non-living things. The living things, plants, animals, humans, and here non-living things: fan, chair, people. Why do we call plants, animals, human is living things, and why do we call fan, chair, pen is non-living things? Due to the life. It is called living and non-living things. These all have life, so it is called living things, and these all have no life, so it is called non-living things. What are natural things? So things that create by nature, is called natural things. वैसी वस्तुएं जिन्हें प्रकृति ने बनाया, जिसमें हमारा कोई योगदान नहीं है, जिसमें ह्यूमन बींग्स का कोई योगदान नहीं है, वो प्रकृति प्रदत्त है, उसे प्रकृति ने ही बनाया है और प्रकृति ही उसे बनाता है, वो सारे के सारे नेचुरल थिंग्स में आते हैं. We cannot create rivers, we cannot create mountains, we cannot create air, we cannot create light, we cannot create sun, we cannot create moon. ना हम चंद्रमा बना सकते हैं, ना हम तारे बना सकते हैं, ना हम सूर्य बना सकते हैं, ना हम धरती बना सकते हैं, ना हम आसमान बना सकते हैं, और ये सब बना पड़ा है. तो ये किसके द्वारा बनाया गया? तो प्रकृति के द्वारा बनाया गया. तो जो प्रकृति के द्वारा बनाए जाते हैं, जो वैसी वस्तुएं जो प्रकृति के द्वारा बनाए गए हैं, उसे हम प्राकृतिक वस्तु कहते हैं. तो by this question we have to give the answer of what are natural things. The things that create by nature is called natural things. Here things that create by nature are called natural things. Natural things. What are man-made things? Man-made. Here you have to focus this word man and made. Man means आदमी, made means बनाया, यानी आदमी के द्वारा बनाया हुआ.
Thanks for watching this video.